a ninny. Let's take a gentle breath together. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. This pose helps your mind slow down and tells your body you are safe. Come to your hands and knees. Slowly lift your head and soften your belly. Then round your back like a gentle wave. Move with your breath, nice and slow. This relaxes the nervous system and releases morning tension. Now stretch your arms forward and let your chest melt down, just like a gentle puppy stretching in the morning. Lovely! This pose opens your shoulders and makes your heart feel calm and relaxed. Lie on your belly and gently lift your chest up. This pose opens your heart and boosts confidence. Kneel and place one hand down beside you. Reach the other arm over your head like drawing a rainbow. Same pose on the other side. This stretch refreshes your mind and improves mood. Step your right foot forward, open your arms, and soften your gaze over your right hand. Switch to the other side. Warrior pose builds focus and emotional strength. Keep your legs strong and gently lean back, sliding your hand down your leg. Lift the other arm overhead and breathe. the same gentle energy. One foot on your leg and bring your hands together in front of your chest. Drop that foot and try the other side. Keep your balance, champ. Nice balance. You're growing taller inside and out. Lie on your back and draw one knee across your body. Let your shoulders stay relaxed. Breathing slowly here helps reduce mental pressure. Switch to the other side. This helps your mind feel clear and refreshed. Thank you for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this yoga time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Yogi Buddies.